Hi guys, welcome back to Sendy's Cooking. So today I have a nice recipe for you. With the holidays around the corner, make this cake for your family. This cremas pound cake. If you don't know what cremas is, well, I'm sure most of you know if you're Haitian or if you've been following this page. Although I tried to film a recipe for the cremas, I totally messed it up, but head over to my Instagram, you'll see how I made it, and the recipe is on my website. So let me show you how I made this delicious cake that you should bring to the holidays. If you're invited to dinner or whatever your family is cooking, you need this cake, okay? Make this, it's so good, you will absolutely love it. You'll need cremas, so be sure to check my Instagram to see how I make cremas and head over to my website to subscribe and you'll find the recipe there. So to make this cake, you'll need cake mix. I am using the white cake mix from Betty Crocker, and you'll need cremas, you'll need sour cream, you'll need 3 tablespoons of sour cream, a third cup of cremas, 6 whole eggs, 1 teaspoon of Vietnamese cinnamon or any cinnamon if you have, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of almond extract, 1 cup of oil, quarter cup of water, and 2 cake mix. That's all you need. All you gotta do is add everything to the box and mix it, whether using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, handheld or stand mixer. Just mix it on low speed for 2 minutes until everything is well combined, but you don't want to over mix it so you don't have dry cake. And the sour cream, don't skip it because it's gonna help the cake to be really moist and delicious. So go ahead and do all of that. Be sure to preheat the oven on 350 before you even start everything. Preheat your oven to 350 for 30 minutes or until it's preheated. I got the measurement wrong. For the cremas, you need a cup and a quarter. So not a quarter of a cup. You need a cup and a quarter of cremas. You need some good cremas. And if you want, you could use 1 cup of cremas and add a quarter cup of rum. If I don't know what kind of rum you're gonna use. For me, when I made the cremas, I use barbecue rum, the Haitian rum. So use that. This rum is it's so good, you guys. Any Haitian recipes you're making, you really should do it. Because I've tried making cremas with other rum, they don't come out good. So it's gotta be barbecue. You could find the white one or the brownish rum, and it does, to me, it doesn't really change the color much, so it's fine. And because it gives it such a great taste, so I don't really care if the color doesn't, if you change the color. Go ahead and add the eggs. Be sure not to drop any shells in there because a little shell fell. Even though I thought I took everything out, I didn't, because when I took a bite and then I was like, there shouldn't be anything crunchy in there. It was a shell. We make mistakes over here and it's okay. We fix it. So be careful with that. Yeah. So that's it. Just mix everything together and bake. I am using a Dutch oven from Le Creuset because it's heart shaped, it's cute. But I do have a pound cake pan, so I suggest you use that as well. If you have that, use it. And if you have a Dutch oven too, you can use that. But I just wanted to use the heart shaped Dutch oven, and it's a great, it's great. Like I said, depending on the pan you're using. If you're using a pound cake pan, it should take you a little bit less time to cook, to bake through. If you're using what I'm using, like a Dutch oven like that, then it will take you a little bit longer time. So once you put it in the oven to bake, uh, prevent from opening the oven so often. You don't need to do that. You can see, just keep your light on so you can see it if you must see everything, right? So you'll see it's going on. This is playing on fast speed, so it's not actually mixing fast. Okay, so be sure you mix it on low speed, so it's like yeah. So as I was saying, use the pound cake pan instead. And once it's baking, I baked mine. I think mine took about 50 minutes, I believe. So what you do, once your batter is ready, be sure to butter the pan well. Butter it well, and you can sprinkle some dust it with some flour, some all-purpose flour. That will make it easier to come out, but you won't need that. I didn't have any issues at all getting mine out. It's well buttered. Add it in there and bake it. And once you see it start getting to look, it starts getting color, you know, it starts looking beautiful, like this beautiful golden brown, you can insert a toothpick in there, and once it come out, if it comes out clean, that means it's ready. And if it comes out still sticky, you can see the batter in there, obviously it's not ready, it's not fully baked. So be sure to do that. Check it. This cake was so good, you guys. I shared with everybody. Some of my friends, they really loved it, and I'm gonna send some to my family for the holidays because I made a good amount. Yeah, and for the icing, all I did was powdered sugar and cremas. So, and you don't need a lot of cremas. You need like 2 to 3 tablespoons of cremas, and about a, you know, half a cup of powdered sugar or cup. It's really whatever you need, how much you want. So just add cremas with powdered sugar, and you'll get this beautiful icing. I'm telling you, that icing makes a difference on the cake. It really does, because the cake is not super sweet. That's what I loved about it. It wasn't super sweet because I have a sweet tooth. I love sweet stuff, but at the same time, I don't like when things are too sweet. Like, I love cakes, but I don't like icing. I like the cake itself. I'm not an icing person, but this was good. So, because the cake wasn't too sweet, and I had that icing that was, you know, had the perfect. It was just the perfect amount of sweetness. So I'm telling you, you have to make this for your family. You have to. You just have to. Everybody's going to love it. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoy my content, you like what I'm doing, and you would like to support me, my website is in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. You can support me there. It's a subscription website where I post the written recipes. I share them here on YouTube as well, you know, because that's really how I started. But I just do it. I have that website in ways to support myself, so I can continue to do these videos, and hopefully I can quit my job and just do my videos full time. So if you'd like to support me there, be sure to head over there and subscribe. It's $5.99 a month, and you can cancel anytime. I post 2 to 3 videos a week over there. They're all written with the instructions, and I always post my videos, my recipes there before I post them on social media. So yeah, like, you know, something like this recipe. The cheesecake. I also made a cheesecake, a Kremas cheesecake. It's coming. I just got so much editing to do, so much filming. I'm a one man that I does everything. I does everything. So yeah. But thank you so much for watching. And if you really like this content, you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to become part of the family so that you never miss a video. You'll always, you know, you just be part of it, you know. And turn on your post notification bell button so that way you never miss a video, any upload. Any new upload, you'll never miss that if you have your bell notification on. And yeah, I'm really excited for you guys to try this recipe. To be honest, it really hit, like this is a home run. This was a home run. I'm telling you, you gotta make it. Make sure to make the cremas. As I said, I tried to make a recipe. I tried to film a recipe for YouTube, and I when I was going through my file, uploading it so I could edit, and I realized I didn't record so many clips. So you can go on my Instagram, and you'll see what I did, and you can follow it. It's super easy to make cremas, super easy. So head over there, okay? And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.